Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you ever wanted to change the Snapchat user ID but weren't sure how to do it, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Snapchat user ID in 2024. So let's get started. Now just to clarify, Snapchat does not allow you to directly change your user ID once it's set. But I'm going to show you a workaround to change the display name. Open up your Snapchat. Once you are in your home page, tap onto your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. It will lead you to the profile page. Now, tap on the setting gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. A various menu of setting option will appear. There you'll see name. Tap on name. Now, type in your new display name. You can change this to whatever you like and it's visible to anyone who views your profile or adds you as a friend. Now, after you have added your new display name, click on save. And that's it. You have now changed your display name and it will show up on your profile. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like, share and subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.